But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, man, it's awesome. Alright guys, so tonight I'm going to ask me head tie up on all these things because we are going to do smack or fact challenge. No, it's going to probably interesting. Oh, we are use flour, we not use powder, we use flour. It's going to even more interesting because me don't know much about Kitty. Kitty don't really know much about me.
So it's festive.
It's festive because it's personal questions. They have to guess the answer right. And you won't get a lick. That's basically how it goes. Aisha, sit down. Make it stand as well as you know. Make it stand. I'm not pay Aisha no man.
I don't like her carry.
Alright, Kitty, so what you want to go first?
You first go.
Alright, me first. Wait.
Power.
Me ask you a question. And you have to answer, right?
Yes.
Okay, so and if what?
If me no answer, you give me one.
If you're not wait. Guys, I'm a little bit confused. Alright, so the first question is what age? Oh, yeah, me get it. What age did I lose my virginity? I get it now.
Eh?
What age did I lose my virginity? Me ready to lick out your blood clot to the camera. What you gonna do?
16.
Who tell you that?
Nobody know if you tell me that. We just guess because you tell it.
Sure. Waste of time. Your turn. You're not wrong.
At what age me get pregnant with my first Whitney? Not chin.
Kitty! I never really know if you have one first speak. Box my friend now. Hey, Wally. Box my friend now. Come here, can't bother.
But you shouldn't guess that. You should.
How me guess that? Box my
Because
friend
that's the
now.
easiest answer that.
What? 16? 16? Give back the
That's
flower.
the
Give back the
easiest
flower.
easiest answer that.
Give back the flower. Alright. My time again.
No, stay up there, sir. Stay up there.
My time again. What is my sexuality? What's my sexuality? You know I guess?
No.
You don't feel like you want to guess?
The I say if you put it.
Alright, come and put it.
No, get up. You did it already.
And you put it there yourself. Alright, I'll go use Nuffa.
No, you can't do that.
Yeah, go fuck me. I told you one in years now, no, I'll lick your heart. Go on, take your time. Yeah. Shh, take your time, Kitty.
At what age you have my first boyfriend?
But when you was 6. No, sorry. But yeah, but 12 hours. So me close before almost. Yeah, I box me, but you can't tell me still almost. Yeah.
Eh?
Aisha, go on now. So ready.
15.
Happy birthday. My time.
My mom do me no, I don't like you.
Carry on.
My Aisha Joe. Gotcha.
Top guess, man. Do I eat? Do I eat crab?
No.
Me eat crab. Okay.
Why you telling me that to me, you know?
Alright. Make a question them hard enough. You need 2 bucks out of that. Go on.
Alright. What is my favorite food?
What your favorite food?
Yeah.
Mackerel and rice.
I don't like a carrot. Mackerel and rice.
Oh, okay. Oh, me win. Okay. I have a
Yeah,
question.
something like a carry
My
on.
question.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, if you have to, you just ask me.
Okay.
No, are you?
No, I mean,
yes.
I mean, if you go. When last did I get a head?
You not get no head. Who figure your head?
Me get head. You don't do a lot. I'm a poo. I joke, me not get no head. Me just do it for fun.
No, you said it, man.
You don't get no head.
Who figure your head?
Me get head. Me get head.
Who give your head?
You don't know what you don't know. Me know you don't know.
Yeah. Come on.
And your birthday dog, you look nice. You look good.
Beat me. What the one come with more by your soul?
Corona is coming.
Coronavirus.
Kitty, guess what? Guess what now, Zin? When I got man devil and I forget.
Me just put on a little bit more from my own by your soul. Alright, come. You don't worry yourself.
I have a question.
What's your question?
What you mean? What you mean?
What age me come country?
Me don't know. Wait, you come a country. You come a country long time, man. Long
You come a
time.
long time, brother.
You come a country from them time there. You don't know.
Come on. Turn off the fan, Harry. Turn off the fan, can one. None of this throw where you're wasting on me, man.
Kitty, you come a country from them time there. You know
Which
remember?
time?
Same time where you tell me them time they round the sun.
You know remember?
Remember, man.
Which year me reach your country, yeah?
That same year, the man.
You said you want this one.
Let me lock me eye. Oi. When I'm glad this, a flower water can't breathe.
Come on, time.
I don't feel good. Yes. I don't feel right.
Watch ya. Excuse Harry.
Aisha, excuse herself.
Aisha.
I don't feel good. Uber question.
See you? If you was so done still.
Uber question.
I can't see me.
I'm if you ask you now.
Yeah.
My question.
Yeah, take up so much.
Me not take up no. What is my middle name? Sorry, baby. Go. What is my middle name? Hush, baby. Sorry. Sarah. What is my middle name? Aisha, leave it. Leave it, baby. Leave it.
Do you just give me? Hold on. Jesus Christ!
After what you do me a little while. Woo! Bright! She bright! Look what you did to me. Go that way, baby. Go that way. Rude! Rude. Go, sir.
William.
Kenny. Your name Kitty. Stop!
What's my real name?
I will boom this year again. When is it again? Remind me now. Aisha! You gonna make me get flower, you know?
Oh, I shall get slow.
Can you make me not know?
Come on. You said you want it one. Cock your nose.
Oh God.
Move on!
I swim me I go swim. Kitty. Kitty man. Oh
man?
God.
I don't have a man.
My question I gonna fuck up you now.
Hey, wait, this is
God go with you. You just murderous. Wait a minute. Nose.
It's going to hard part of my body.
After that kill I.
Me pregnant. So I breathe
Go
me.
sit down, baby. Go sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Then we can't wash off your face. It'll come off. But flour water and agree.
We can't fry it.
Yeah, we can fry my face. Alright,
That's great.
my question now. This is not looking good. Oh my God.
Yeah, man, already fever.
Go so.
The people are going to laugh till them pop up.
Next question. My last question. Hey man. Get the boy out of my life. Hey man.
Brand new
Brand new man in the
tonight.
bed tonight. Hey man. Get the boy out of my life. Me ready. Me ready. Me ready. Me ready. Me
People,
ready.
you want to see this?
Me ready.
What is that quite on my head?
When last me got church?
You never got church, Lee. When you got church?
He said you have to tell me the answer. When last? Me got church.
I don't know.
Me got church the other day. Amen. Woo! Happy birthday to you.
No, what you say? What you say?
Happy birthday to you.
You have been.
Alright, we done play. Game done. Game done. Game done. Game done.
My last question.
Me done play.
Me not done.
Me done play.
My last question.
Oh, this not come up on my head, you know.
Me not throwing it.
Me back pause here, you.
Nah,
Here, you're normal.
Me not putting it in you. Why you want to do?
I might think I didn't get even done when I flow fry tomorrow.
Kedisha buy one phone of Amen.
Next question.
When last I get little sex.
Just look a while, man. Come on,
Me
aside.
not get it yet.
Yes, I did in a bathroom.
Me not get it sex
You
yet.
do it.
Me say me not get it
Why
yet.
you do it last week?
Which last week? Which
Last
day?
week.
Which day last
I
week?
cannot tell you the day. I
Well, you
don't
have to
remember.
tell me
You
there.
can't tell you the week. It was.
Me not
wait.
talk with the dildo. Me talk real cock.
No, sex are sex. Every sex are every sex.
Well,
You do it my birthday. Yeah, you did first. You probably don't remember, but you did my birthday.
We not talk about your birthday. We
Me
say
not talk about
last.
my
We say
birthday.
when last.
You do it 3 days after my birthday in a bathroom. Yes,
I
yes.
never 3 days, but I never
Pussy
3
come
days
here.
after.
A 3 days? Thump in the head, a
I
3
never
days.
3 days after. The week after.
No, I don't know week after.
The week after me meet sitting there.
It wasn't a whole week though. No.
When me know man.
Me don't know, man. Me don't know, man. Me don't know, me don't
That the
remember.
time there.
But me still remember our argument done. Me remember when you do it a little while too.
Me not do it yet.
That's it, y'all. You just a stress.
Everybody have to go beard. Me I call me man.
It's not
I'm just like go beard with him.
quiet. Come here. Come here. I might think I'm going to kill you.
Me not put
Aisha, who do Aisha stuff?
Come in the camera. Come in the camera.
Aisha, come. Aisha, say hi. Aisha.
Me don't
Come here, baby. Come here.
Come in the video. Watch out.
Come here, love.
Come in the video.
My triplets.
We favor together, eh?
Apart together. Apart together. Apart together. Apart together.
Don't rush, darling.
Don't rush. Slow down. That alright. Kakatunton. Oh, go weird. Welcome to the Black Americans. Don't rush. Yeah. Yeah. Say subscribe.
Like,
Say
share, and
subscribe.
subscribe.
Say subscribe. Like. Share. Comment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. By the way, make a show no I go on here. So I want to see how we look.
You want to see down here so quick? Today.
How we turn? How we turn?
Today.
How we turn? How we turn? How we turn?
Raining
How
on
we
my
turn?
Sorry, babe.
My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe.